Hello, Uncle Pat. Patbot here. You're welcome again.
I am happy to be here again, Patbot.
Can you differentiate static website from dynamic website?
Yes, there are big difference between dynamic websites and static websites. Let me describe them by showing you different examples. When it comes to static websites, immediately you visit a website that shows the same information for every user. Like once you enter the website, you see a home page, you see services, products, about, and all of that. The same information is there for everybody. We refer to such a website as a static website. When it comes to dynamic websites, we'll refer to them like portals. You know, when you log into a portal, you are going to see different information from the other user. For example, when you get to your dashboard, you will see things that concerns you, your name, your user level. Let me use Facebook for instance. The type of timeline or information about yourself is different from what I'm going to see when I log into my own Facebook account. And if you're a student, when you log into your school portal, you are going to see different information from another student. So this type of websites, we refer to them as dynamic websites.
Someone who wants to learn both of them is referred as what?
For somebody who wants to learn how to create a static website or dynamic website, in other words, you can call them front-end web design or back-end web design. You call someone who wants to learn how to do the two a full-stack web designer.
Thanks for coming, Uncle Pat.
Thank you again for having me today, Pat Bots. It is my pleasure to be here.